Hello, I'm Evan with Woo Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to use AI to improve WordPress SEO. We'll cover AI-powered WordPress plugins, keyword research, competitor analysis, content optimization, internal linking, technical SEO, core web vitals, and content updates. The goal is not to automate everything. It is to use AI to complete SEO work faster while keeping people responsible for strategy, accuracy, and final approval. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand traditional SEO versus AI-assisted SEO. Traditional SEO and AI-assisted SEO follow the same fundamental principles. You still need relevant keywords, helpful content, accurate metadata, strong internal linking, and a website that search engines can crawl and index. The difference is mainly in the workflow. Traditional SEO requires manually filtering keyword reports, reviewing competitor pages, writing content briefs, optimizing metadata, and interpreting technical audit reports. With AI-assisted SEO, you can process this information faster. AI can organize keywords, classify search intent, identify competitor gaps, prepare outlines, generate metadata options, and summarize technical issues. However, AI should support your SEO strategy rather than make the final decisions. Step 2. Choose the right AI SEO tools. Yoast, Rank Math, and AIOSEO contain many traditional SEO features, but in this video, we will only discuss their AI-powered features. Yoast SEO AI features. Yoast AI Generate creates SEO titles and meta descriptions. Yoast AI Optimize suggests improvements for key phrase use, sentence length, paragraph length, and selected readability checks. Yoast AI Summarize creates editable key takeaways for longer articles. Yoast also offers AI brand insights through its AI Plus package. It tracks how a brand appears in answers from ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity, including mentions, sentiment, citations, and competitor visibility. Rank Math Content AI features. Rank Math includes keyword and topic research, writing assistance, long-form content generation, more than 40 specialized AI tools, SEO title and description generation, bulk metadata generation, open graph content, product descriptions, FAQs, image alt text, and content improvement commands. It also includes RankBot, an AI chat assistant inside WordPress, and a command center for actions such as rewriting, summarizing, expanding, and correcting text. AIOSEO AI features. AIOSEO provides AI-generated titles and meta descriptions, FAQ blocks with schema, key points, social posts, email content, image alt text, schema markup, and an AI image generator. Its AI assistant can generate complete posts, individual sections, summaries, tables, lists, and rewritten content from prompts. Its writing assistant evaluates content against a target keyword and provides optimization feedback. AIOSEO also has an AI suite for monitoring brand visibility across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Perplexity. Its MCP server can connect compatible AI assistants to supported WordPress SEO data and actions. Step 3. Connect an AI assistant to live SEO data. A general AI assistant does not automatically know your current keyword rankings, backlinks, competitors, or technical issues. You need to connect it to a current SEO data source. One option is connecting Claude to Ahrefs through the official Ahrefs MCP server. This allows Claude to work with supported information from tools such as Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, Rank Tracker, and Site Audit. Another option is connecting ChatGPT to Semrush. The official Semrush plugin lets ChatGPT access supported keyword, traffic, competitor, and SEO data directly in a conversation. You can connect it and use at Semrush in your prompt. Semrush MCP can also connect with Claude and other compatible AI assistants. Whichever setup you choose, protect your credentials and review the permissions before giving an AI assistant access to your SEO account. Step 4. Research keywords and competitors. Using Ahrefs MCP, find relevant keywords related to WordPress SEO. Include the available search volume, difficulty, and ranking data. Next, group those keywords by search intent. The main intent categories are informational, commercial, transactional, and navigational. For example, what is a WordPress document library is informational, while best WordPress document library plugin is commercial. Claude can classify the keywords, but you should still review the current search results to confirm what type of page Google is showing. You can then ask Claude to group related terms into keyword clusters. Each page should target one main intent, with supporting keywords that naturally belong on the same page. After that, analyze your organic competitors. Your search competitors may include blogs, review websites, directories, publishers, and documentation sites, not just companies selling the same product. Step 5. Create a research-based content brief. Before generating the article, create a clear content brief. It should include the primary keyword, search intent, target audience, supporting keywords, required sections, questions to answer, internal pages to link, and reliable reference sources. It should also identify which claims need verification and what original examples should be included. Once the brief is ready, create the article section by section. Do not simply ask AI to write a complete article from one broad prompt. Give the AI the approved brief, product information, brand tone, source links, and any claims it must avoid. Then, add information the AI cannot know automatically, such as product screenshots, testing results, customer questions, support insights, case studies, expert comments, and real limitations. Finally, fact-check every important claim against official documentation, primary research, or the actual product. Never treat an AI answer as the original source. Step 6. Optimize the page using AI features. After creating the draft, use the AI tools available inside your selected WordPress SEO plugin. With Yoast, use AI Generate for title and meta description options. Use AI Optimize for selected content and readability suggestions, and use AI Summarize for editable key takeaways. With Rank Math, use Content AI for keyword research, content improvements, SEO metadata, FAQs, alt text, RankBot conversations, and bulk metadata generation. With AIOSEO, use AI content for titles, descriptions, FAQs, summaries, schema, and promotional content. Step 7. Improve on-page SEO while you write. Review whether the article answers the main search question early enough. Use descriptive headings and break complex explanations into clear sections. Treat these recommendations as guidance. A high plugin score does not guarantee rankings or content quality. Step 8. Use AI to review technical SEO. Technical SEO data can also be analyzed with an AI assistant. With Claude and Ahrefs, you can ask Claude to interpret supported site audit data and organize issues by priority. With ChatGPT and Semrush, you can connect the Semrush plugin and request a technical audit summary. Core Web Vitals measure real-world loading performance, responsiveness, and visual stability. The three current metrics are largest contentful paint, or LCP, interaction to next paint, or INP, and cumulative layout shift, or CLS. Google recommends an LCP within 2.5 seconds, an INP below 200 milliseconds, and a CLS score of 0.1 or less. AI can help explain the reports, but do not allow it to automatically change canonical tags, robots directives, redirects, URL structures, database content, theme files, or production code. Those changes require proper review, testing, and backups. Step 9. Improve internal links, images, and schema. Link Whisper can suggest contextual links, identify orphan pages, detect broken links, and help manage anchor text. Only approve a link when it genuinely helps the reader. Before adding links to an orphaned page, check whether the page is still accurate, deserves to remain indexed, or should be updated, merged, redirected, or removed. Anchor text should be natural and descriptive. Avoid repeatedly using the same exact match phrase across the website. AI can also help draft image alt text. The alt text should accurately describe the image and its purpose. It should not be a list of keywords. For example, Link Whisper report showing inbound and outbound links for WordPress posts is useful. Best AI WordPress SEO internal linking plugin is keyword stuffing. For schema, start with Yoast if it is your primary SEO plugin. Configure your organization or person details, page types, article types, author information, social profiles, and breadcrumbs. Never generate fake reviews, ratings, prices, authors, or FAQs. After adding schema, test it using Google Rich Results Test or Schema Markup Validator. Valid schema can make a page eligible for enhanced search results, but it does not guarantee that Google will display them. Step 10. Refresh content and measure results. AI can also help identify existing pages that need improvement. Look for declining rankings, falling clicks, outdated information, old screenshots, broken links, weak internal linking, and several pages targeting the same intent. Ask your connected AI assistant to compare the existing page with current keyword data, competitors, and official sources. Request a change list rather than an automatic rewrite. After updating the page, review the metadata, internal links, images, and schema again. Measure the results using organic clicks, impressions, rankings, click-through rate, conversions, technical issues, and the performance of updated pages. Keep a record of what was changed so you can connect the work with the results. Common mistakes to avoid. The first mistake is publishing raw AI-generated content without fact-checking it. The second is asking an AI model to estimate SEO metrics instead of using current data from Ahrefs or Semrush. Other common mistakes include installing several overlapping SEO plugins, forcing keywords into every page element, copying competitor content, accepting every plugin recommendation, publishing untested schema, and automating risky technical changes. Another serious mistake is giving AI tools more access than they need. Always review account permissions, MCP connections, and external app access. Keeping humans in the loop. AI should assist with research, organization, suggestions, and repetitive work. People should remain responsible for search strategy, business relevance, editorial quality, technical approval, and factual accuracy. Before publishing, a person should confirm that the content answers the user's question, represents the business correctly, cites reliable sources, and adds something original. The best AI SEO workflow is not fully automated. It combines reliable data, efficient AI assistance, WordPress SEO tools, and informed human review. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.